Hey lads, TechScanning here. So a few days ago I have covered a video on Vivo's coming foldable Vivo X Fold Plus. But at that time there was no official news about the foldable. However, now Vivo has officially announced the launch of its next foldable in less than a week, specifically on 26 September. Vivo said the plus in the name means the strong will evolve in a stronger way. However, it's unclear whether the company hinting toward performance or the durability of the device, or it is something else the company is referring to. Vivo wants to make its foldable phones globally available, but at the moment it's not sure if this is the one. The reliable tipster also shared multiple pictures of the phone, which confirms the early rumors that the phone will have a red leather finish, giving it an elegant looking. Further, the use of leather makes it less slippery than the gloss. As for the appearance, the device looks similar to its predecessor, but the coming Vivo foldable will hold the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, while the other major changes compared to its previous models are a 4730 mAh of battery, 80-watt wired charging speed, and 50-watt wireless charging support. You will get an enormous 8.03 inches unfolded, or I can say main display, while a 6.53 inches cover screen. Good thing both of these displays will offer the 120Hz refresh rate. Unlike the Z Fold 4, there will be no under-display camera sensor. For the cameras, the Vivo well-known tipster digital chat station, this foldable will have a 50 megapixel main, 48 megapixel ultra-wide, 12 megapixel telephoto, and 8 megapixel periscope sensor. A few days ago, China's MIT also published the images of the foldable. Moving next to another Vivo smartphone that is also going to be the most powerful and the best rival of the S23 Ultra, the Vivo premium flagship X90 Pro. According to the Chinese leaker, the Vivo X90 Pro will be powered by the unreleased Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Qualcomm is expected to announce its new chipset Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 next month at a tech summit. It's no surprise that the Vivo will use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, as many flagships including the Samsung S23 Ultra, Xiaomi 13 and OnePlus 11 Pro are expected to feature the same chipset. So we will be able to see the good competition from the performance side. However, the most distinguishing feature according to the leaker is the 1-inch camera sensor. And to be recalled, Xiaomi 12s Ultra that was launched last month also featured the 1-inch sensor from Sony. Further, the tipster said X90 Pros will also include a periscope zoom camera, meaning we will be able to see some good zooming from the Vivo phone. Adding more, the well-known tipster Ice Universe has said Vivo will introduce a new telephoto and a new telephoto algorithm that can give very tough competition to the S23 Ultra. As we knew, Vivo X80 Pro offers some of the best cameras in the smartphone, so surely its successor will offer something exceptional. The other revealed specs include 5000 mAh of battery and 100-watt fast charging speed. For the launch date, as some Chinese flagships are expected to arrive sooner than their predecessors, so most likely X90 Pro will arrive at the end of this year or in early 2023. What are your expectations about these Vivo phones? Share your thoughts below in the comments, and that's it for today. Do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.